Hey, welcome back to day 4. Are you enjoying these stories so far? If you're here to get inspired and improve your English one story at a time, you're doing great. Keep going. Today's story is about a man who proved that true leadership isn't about power, it's about purpose. In today's talk about the quiet force behind some of India's biggest companies, Ratan Tata. Story: Ratan Tata was born in 1937 into the powerful Tata family. But his childhood wasn't easy. His parents separated when he was just 10. He was raised by his grandmother, who taught him to stay humble, no matter how high he reached. Even though he had wealth, he never showed off. Instead, he focused on learning, building, and doing the right thing. After studying in the US, Ratan Tata joined the Tata Group, but he didn't start at the top. He worked on the shop floor, just like any other employee. No special chair, no special treatment. When he became the chairman of Tata Group in 1991, many people doubted him. But Ratan Tata had a vision. He wanted Indian companies to be global giants. Under his leadership, Tata acquired famous brands like Jaguar, Land Rover, and Tetley Tea. But more than business, it was his heart that made him different. After the 2008 Mumbai attacks, Ratan Tata personally visited the families of every employee who was killed, whether they worked in the Taj Hotel or not. He didn't do it for the camera, he did it because he cared. And when he launched the Tata Nano, the world's cheapest car, he said, "I wanted a safe car for Indian families, not a profit-making machine." Ratan Tata's story teaches us something powerful. You don't have to be loud to be strong. You don't have to show off to be successful. Be kind, be focused, and always do what's right, even when no one's watching. Thank you so much for watching. If this story moved you or taught you something new, don't forget to join us tomorrow. Let's keep growing, let's keep learning together. See you in the next story.